kick off on November 10 for a small ceremony in the office. And then we celebrate on the 14th with invited Vice President of the past, who can join us. And then on November 17, we will